Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to split your worksheet into multiple parts. So this is going to be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to start off with is selecting a column in our first area. So let's say I'm going to select cell B20. Once you've done that, I'm going to go up and left click on the View tab. And then once we're on the View tab, you want to go ahead and left click on Split. Now you'll notice there are two vertical scrolling bars. So if you want to use the lower vertical scroll bar to move to row lower down, you can see the first rows remain visible up at the top. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.